Good morning, students. Good morning, students. I'm glad to connect with you after such a long time. Hope you all are fit and fine and doing your work accordingly as we are sending you. Already we have completed the 2 chapters, that is life processes and our environment. Today I'm going to start the 3rd chapter, that is control and coordination. This is a very, very important chapter. So before starting the other topics, we will discuss what is control and what is coordination. So what do you mean by control? Is it a new word for you, control? Have you heard about the remote control? Remote control of TV, remote control of AC, or remote control of car. So what you are doing with all these things? Suppose if you are sitting in a room and you are feeling that it's not too cool, then you are going to raise the temperature or decrease the temperature with the help of remote control. Similarly, if you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume, then you are going to do it with remote control. You are going to open the door of the car and going to close the door of the car along with the help of the remote control. So what is control like this? Control is the power that you are having, a power to arrange anything in an orderly manner according to your wish. So this is what control. Now we will discuss about the coordination. Is it a new word for you, coordination? Okay, maybe it is new, but you are familiar with the word coordinators. Coordinators are there in school. How many coordinators are there? If you will see, first of all, Shushila ma'am, then Swami ma'am, KB sir, Mamta madam, and Navendu sir. All these are coordinators. So what they are doing, what is their role in the school? They are doing, so they are coordinating all the activities of that block in a systematic manner. Exam कब होंगे, syllabus कितना होगा, unit test कब होगा. So they are going to control all these things, all the co-curricular activities. They are going to arrange them in a systematic manner. So coordination means coordination helps to synchronize the different systems of the body in a perfect and in a systematic manner. So control and coordination, these are the 2 important things which are going to help you. So what is a question arises, what is the need of control and coordination? Why it is required? Suppose if many activities are going on in your school and coordinators are not organizing them systematically, then what you will do? All the system will collapse. Work are not going to be performed in a systematic manner, then all the systems will fail. Similarly, if there will be no control and coordination among the different systems of the body, then the smooth functioning of the body is going to stop. So we need control and coordination for the smooth functioning of our body or among the different systems, for running, for walking, for dancing, for every work which we are doing. It is going in a perfect manner because of the control and coordination. So control and coordination in animal is going to be taken by 2 methods are there. Number 1, nervous system is there, and number 2, endocrine system. Nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. 2 main components of nervous system, brain and spinal cord, and endocrine system contains endocrine glands. With the help of these 2 systems, the control and coordination takes place in our body. So these 2 are responsible. So first of all, we will start with the nervous system in our body. But before starting the nervous system, we will discuss 4 terms which you should know. Number 1, stimulus. What is a stimulus? A stimulus is any detectable change in your external or internal environment which compels the organism to react. That is called stimulus. And what is response? The reaction of the body towards the stimulus. Now I will give you some example and you will differentiate which one is a stimulus and which one is response. Especially girls, after watching the pani puri, मुंह में पानी भर जाता है. So what is a stimulus here? Definitely pani puri or golgappa is a stimulus, and the salivation in your mouth, when your mouth is going to be filled with the saliva, that is response. Second example, if I'm going to talk, if you are going to touch a hot plate, आप क्या करते हैं? अपना तुरंत हाथ हटा लेते हैं. So in this example, what is hot plate is a stimulus, and when you are removing your hand away from it, it is a reaction of your body or response. If somebody is going to put a torch or very strong beam of light on your face, what you are going, automatically your eyes are going to be closed. So what is stimulus here? Strong beam of that light is a stimulus, and when you are closing your eyes, it is a reaction or response of the body. Similarly, एक और example, अगर आपका हाथ blade या किसी sharp edge पे पड़ जाता है, then you are going to remove your hand immediately. So here again, the blade or the sharp edge is a stimulus, and the reaction of your body, or when you are taking away your hand, it is a response of your body. So these are the two terms. Stimulus, any external or internal change in the environment which compels you to react. And what is response? The body, how your body is going to react towards that stimulus. That is called response. So control and coordination is going to establish the perfect synchronization, and after that the stimulus and response. Next topic, next one is impulse. Have you heard this word? कि ये लड़की तो बहुत impulsive है nature में. What is the meaning of impulsive? जरा सी कुछ बात हुई, बहुत तेज गुस्सा हो गए. Without thinking, without planning, when somebody is going to express their emotions without thinking, without planning anything, that it is called an impulse. So impulse is a sudden urge or desire. Sudden, strong or desire, it is called impulse. So impulsive persons, they are going to react without thinking, without planning. So impulse is related, impulsive or the impulse is related to sudden or strong urge. Then the receptors. Receptors are those specific cells or organs which are going to respond to the stimulus. It may be a cell, tissue, or specific organ which is going to respond towards the stimulus. So how many sense organs you are having? You are having 5 sense organs: ear, eye, skin, nose, and tongue. You are having these 5 organs, sense organs, through which you are going to receive the different senses or stimulus. So these sense organs, they are having receptors, specific cells which are going to receive. First of all, phonoreceptors. Phone word suna hai, phone, you are receiving the voice through phone, mobile phone, landline phone. Phono is related to sound. And those receptors which are going, they are present in our ear, and they are going to receive different type of sounds. All the sound may be harsh, may be melodious, may be sweet, may be very loud. All kind of the sounds are going to receive by phonoreceptors present in the inner ear. Second, photoreceptors, they are present in eyes, and all the visual impact you are receiving through photoreceptors. आप जो भी कुछ देखते हैं, visual impact, जो भी कुछ आप देखते हैं, it is going to be received by the photoreceptors present in your eyes. Next one is thermo. What is thermo? Thermo means which is related to temperature. Thermometer. Thermometer is a device through which you are going to measure the temperature of the body. Similarly, thermoreceptors, they are present in skin, and they are going to give you the senses of temperature and touch. You are going to receive these three things: temperature, whether an object is cold or hot. If somebody is going to pinch you, you feel pain. It is again received by the skin. If somebody is touching you very harshly or very politely, or is a good touch or bad touch, all are going to be received by the thermoreceptors, which are present in your skin. So this is thermoreceptors. Next one is olfactory receptors. Olfactory receptors present in nose, and they are going to help you to detect the different type of smells. आज मम्मी ने बेसन के लड्डू बनाए, घर में घुसते ही पता चल जाएगा कि आज मम्मी ने बेसन के लड्डू बनाए। आज घर में मम्मी ने बेसन के लड्डू बनाए, घर में घुसते ही पता चल गया। उसके अलावा आपको बदबू भी आ सकती है, स्मेल, बैड स्मेल, गुड स्मेल, bad smell, good smell, everything you are going to receive through the olfactory receptors. The last one is gustatory receptors, tongue. They are present in tongue and it helps you detect the taste. With the help of these receptors, you are going to feel the different type of taste, whether it is sweet or salty or sour. All things happen with the help of the gustatory receptors. So these are the 5 receptors. Phono means you are listening different type of sounds. Photo, all the visual stimulus. Thermo, that is the temperature, pain and touch. Olfactory, present in your nose, and it is going to help you to detect the smell. Gustatory, present in the tongue, and helps you to taste the different object. So is it clear? Control, coordination, and control coordination, why it is required, nervous system and endocrine system, stimulus, response, impulse and receptors. Now we will discuss about the nervous system. Now we will discuss about the nervous system. Nervous system. If you will compare nervous system, then it is class teacher. Class teacher of your class can be considered as the nervous system. This is the main part of our control and coordination. So let me know what is the functional unit of your body. The functional unit of your body or any living organism is cell. Each living organism is made up of cell. Cell is the basic and structural unit of life. This is basic and structural unit of life. Similarly, nervous system की functional unit है neuron. Neuron. So today we are going to study about the structure of neuron. So if you will know the neuron, automatically you are going to understand the structure of nervous system. So I will draw a diagram of neuron and I will tell you how. Later we are going to discuss how it is going to work. Right now I'm going to draw the diagram. So you can draw this diagram with me in your rough notebook if you are having. This is a star or cell-shaped body. Now you can see it will be better if you are going to draw it with me. Now you can see the neuron contains three main parts. Number one, cell body or cyton. This is a star shape. Some say it is irregular in shape. Some are saying that it is star shape. But you can see, although it is a star shaped body, it is filled with a jelly-like substance known as nucleoplasm. In the center, it contains a circular structure which is known as nucleus. So this is a star-shaped body. You can see it is filled with the gel-like substance known as nucleoplasm, and it contains a circular structure known as nucleus. As you know, nucleus is going to control all the activities of the cell. From this cell body, finger-like projections are coming out. Can you see? These are called dendrites. These finger-like projections which you are seeing, branch-like or finger-like projections coming out from the cell body, they are called dendrites. In the lower portion of this cyton, a single cord-like structure is going down, as you can see, that is called axon. This axon mostly covered with a sheath which is known as myelin sheath. Sometimes it may not be covered with this sheath, but mostly it is covered with the sheath which is known as myelin sheath. And in the lower portion, this axon again from a branch structure, and these are called nerve endings. So this is the structure of a neuron. So neuron, single neuron, it consists of star-shaped body that is called cell body or cyton, and it contains nucleoplasm. It contains one central spherical structure known as nucleus. From the cell body arising the finger-like projection or branches, they are called dendrites. In the lower portion, it is having a cord-like structure which is known as axon. And in the last, it is again branched and it is going to form the nerve ending. So this is the structure of one neuron. Neuron is the longest cell in our body. They may be of 1 meter or few meters. Their length depends upon the function or from where they are going to carry the message. So this is the structure of cell body, and these dendrites are going to receive, in detail we will study the conduction of nerve impulses from one neuron to another. Simply I am telling you how these dendrites are going to receive the impulses. Then a chemical reaction starts there, and they are going to convert into electrical impulses, which is received by the cell body. Then cell body is going to transfer these impulses through this axon. They are going to reach to the nerve endings. From these nerve endings, they are going to be received by the dendrites of another neuron, and chain goes so on. So that's all for today. Let us summarize the topic again. So today we are studying the process of control and coordination. Control is the power in which you can control any event in a systematic manner. Coordination is organizing the things in a systematic way, and we are doing it with the help of nervous system and endocrine system. Stimulus, any change in the external environment, then response of our body, how it is going to react towards the stimulus. After that, impulses and receptors, 5 types of receptors we have already discussed. Then the nervous system, the basic unit of nervous system, and the structure of this neuron. That's all for today. Next time we will discuss the new topic. Thank you.